Is your Blender download painfully slow? Here's a super quick fix. First, search for Blender download on Google and open the official website. If you click the download button, you'll notice the download starts automatically, but the speed is super slow, sometimes just a few hundred kilobytes per second. Stop the download. Then click on download manually. Now choose a server, like Netherlands or United States. Your download speed jumps to hundreds of megabytes per second. That's it. Fast Blender download in under 60 seconds.